There are so many beauty myths out there. Let's take a look at which myths are actually true versus which ones are false. Hi, my name is Jackie Carter, and I'm here to answer all of your beauty questions and give you some simple, basic beauty tips. And today we're going to talk about beauty myths. We all hear all kinds of stories out there of what we should use, what we shouldn't use, what works best, and what doesn't work at all. Well, let's get to the bottom of it and really pick at some of these beauty myths to determine what's up. Sunscreen. I don't need to wear sunscreen in the winter. This is absolutely false. You have to wear sunscreen 365 days out of the year, even if you can't see the sun. You see, the sun has two types of rays. There's the UVA rays, which age the skin, and then there are the UVB rays that burn the skin. So even though you can't feel the heat from the sun on your skin, doesn't mean your skin's not being affected. The sun's rays are also very tricky. They can penetrate through glass, they can penetrate through certain articles of clothing, and most importantly, they can penetrate through clouds on the cloudiest of days. So this one is absolutely false. You have to wear your sunscreen 365 days a year. Here's another one for you. Cucumber slices help alleviate under-eye puffiness. This one is absolutely true. Face it, millions of spas all around the world couldn't be wrong, right? It's the first thing that happens when you arrive at a spa. They slice cucumbers up and they put them over your eyes. Why? Because cucumbers are water dense. And if you throw some cucumber slices in a bowl of icy water and put them over your eyes are immediately soothed, the skin is immediately smooth, so cucumbers will absolutely help alleviate that under-eye puffiness. Here's another one. Coloring your nails with nail polish will turn them yellow. Well, this one is absolutely true, but we do have a solution for that. You see, our nails are very, very porous and they absorb color. So if you like to wear shades like dark red or purples, you know what happens is that color gets absorbed into the nail beds, and when you take the polish off, you are left with yellow nails. But here's all you have to do. You don't have to avoid those colors. Just simply put a nice base coat or a clear coat of polish on your nails first. This will create a barrier so those dark shades can't penetrate into the nail bed and you won't be left with yellow nails. That one's an easy one. Here's one for you. Toothpaste makes for a perfect acne spot treatment. This one, I hate to say it, is false. Now, we've all grabbed toothpaste in one of those emergency moments, right? When we wake up with a little pimple or a blemish, because the toothpaste will actually help dry the spot out. But unfortunately, because toothpaste contain things like mint and they contain fluoride, both known to be skin irritants, by the way, what happens is, even though you might dry out that little blemish, it also wreaks havoc on all the surrounding skin. So it's not the thing that you want to grab if you do have a blemish or a breakout. The perfect thing is actually a product that's designed to target acne. Okay, here's one that I believed for years and years and years, and that is never tweeze above your eyebrow. I didn't do that. And then one day I looked in the mirror and said, oh my gosh, what is that? I had little eyebrows sprouting out all over the place, and that can't be right, right? So no, you have to tweeze your eyebrows or shape your brows in a way that looks best for your face. I always advise going to a professional first. If you've ever had an eyebrow tweezing mishap, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. They will help, set the perfect shape for your brow, and then the maintenance can be left up to you. But yes, please go ahead, tweeze away above or below the brow. It's perfect. I hope today's Beauty Mythbuster show cleared up some of the questions that you may have had about beauty tips and tricks. If there's something that you really want to get to the bottom of, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll get to the bottom of it. For more beauty advice, check out my blog at discovergoodbeauty.com, where you'll find all kinds of beauty tips and tricks to get you through the day. And remember everyone, let's live life beautifully.